Racks on my tongue. Shawty got ball pussy till I come on. All right, guys. So I want to do a pre-market breakdown live with the team. Looking at, I'm gonna do a pre-market breakdown. With like while I can see it, right, with you guys, just to walk you guys through my thought process, right. My glasses are extremely foggy, but let's just break it down, right. So obviously we had CPI, so we left data highs and data lows. Now we have London highs resting right here, and then we have London highs that rest right there. So we have some great draws on liquidity higher. We have all this LR, all of this is LR right here. Then we also have data lows below. Then we also have LR here, relative equal highs here. As of right now, we are technically respecting this 15-minute gap right here. Not too much is happening with this 15-minute gap simply because of the fact that it seems as if we're already starting to disrespect it. But just to be aware that there is a 15-minute gap here that we could possibly see a rejection off of back down to data lows. Now, the problem here today is the fact that we have all this LRL generated above, relative equal highs resting right there, equal highs right there, just so much great draws on liquidity higher, and then a great draw on liquidity lower. So now the problem is we have to wait for one of these draws on liquidity to be taken out, because unfortunately we can't just take a trade expecting data lows to get hit when we have equal highs resting right here on ES. Maybe ES wants to run these first, come back down, or maybe we want to wipe out data lows and then come back up to these relative equal highs there. So there's so many options we have here. So definitely for me today, and we're inside of this 15-minute gap, definitely for me today, we just have to sit and wait for Price to do what Price may want to do, because I have an idea what I want Price to do, which is come down, sweep data lows, and then return to this buy side up here. But I can't expect that from the markets, right? So we can only react, we can't predict. But definitely we cannot be taking any sort of positions within this range at all. We can't take any position within this range. We have to wait for Price to, take out something here. And then it doesn't also help on the 1 hour time frame that we're inside of this 1 hour gap as well. So honestly, what I would like to see happen to be an overall confluence with this 1 hour gap, is I would like to see us sweep out, this. This is me being facetious, but if we could take out this and then come back to data lows, that would be ideal, because there's also a 4 hour gap up here, and we would be overall in confluence with our higher time frame bias, etc. There's just a lot going on today, and best thing for us to do is just sit on our hands and wait. Update, fellas, you guys do see that we do have arrows here. We have these arrows here because we passed our Lucid Funding account. So we passed our Lucid Funding account now. Apparently I accidentally bought an Apex account, not Apex, but Alpha Futures. So we're gonna log into our Alpha Futures account, trade the Alpha Futures 50K today. And yeah, I'll come back to you guys whenever we take a setup or whatever we plan on doing today. All right, I accidentally paused the recording. I meant to stop it. All right, guys. So come to find out, we actually need $64 more to pass. I took this buy. I don't even know. So I took this buy because, we're in a 15-minute gap. Reacting in this 15-minute gap. Had a nice V-shape. Inverse this 1 minute. I'm sure, 100% sure there's a 30-second down there as well. Also have some good draws on liquidity resting above. So took that trade. Jesus Christ, bro. Dude, I'm pretty sure I need like $1 more, bro. We needed $64. Now we have to verify whether we got it or not. So on the day, we're up $784. I'm sure with the freaking spread that we just got and it just dropped right before we sold that we didn't get it. We're probably like 1 second short.
A trade for the consistency rule. I'm trying to have some of my chat lose a trade, so I told them to take this trade. And I literally told everyone I want this to lose, and I'm up 4K. Like, are you serious, bro? I do not want to be at 4K. I'm trying to lose. Mark.
Literally, that's my problem right now. All right. See how much we made this morning. We made about $709. 709 minus 784. All right, we made $75. So, like I said, guys, that wasn't just a BS trade. We took that trade because, you know, we had data lows right here. We had, you know, this 15-minute gap right there as well. Excuse me. Had a beautiful V shape out of here. Obviously, this is a god-awful trade because data lows is literally right here. But, you know, we had some LR resting above here. Had some LR resting above. Like I said, this is a very weird day. It's not a weird day. It's just a sit on your hands type of day because we have so much LR resting above. Then we have data lows resting here as well, which is why we didn't hit data lows right here because we have so many other draws on liquidity above us, bro. Market doesn't know what to do. So you have to wait for one of these to be taken out before you can hit like a real trade. But either way, man, this was our little setup right here. Now, obviously, like I said, this is a terrible trade, but I'm going to LARP on Instagram. I'm definitely going to go LARP on Instagram. Be like, if you guys took this trade, you're done it, bro. You know? So, I'm going to get off of here for now. You know, apparently I don't have a Lucid Funding 50K or a Alpha Futures 50K. I'm going to email them, figure out what's going on with that. And then, yeah, boys, we are now funded again. Like I said, this is the rebuild process, man. We got to stay down until we come up. So, just getting our mental right, make sure we're taking good trades, making sure we're taking care of our bodies, et cetera, et cetera. I'm glad you guys were here with me to be able to witness this. Now, let's see if we can refresh this page. Okay, it went up. All right, hold on. Okay, do I got to lose money? Damn it, I got to lose money. All right. We're going to buy here. We're going to buy. Hopefully we come down and touch that low, but we got to lose money, dog. I didn't know that. $54. Yes. Yes. We need $140. Ooh, wow. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. $130. All right, we're out there, bro. I realized that when going for things like this, bro, you'll win super fast. So you got to make sure you take your money, bro, and get going. So we're at 139 there. I wish it would update, bro, so I could know like whether I'm doing the right thing or not. I don't know what this means. Like, start. I have to get to $139? Wait, what? How is this possible? I just made. Is this for the day? Like, I can't make any more today? Is that what it's saying? So, start, and the target is to get to 26.51. This is so confusing, bro. It just said I needed to make more money. Then I make money. Now I got to make twice as much. It doesn't make any sense, bro. Dude, I'm gonna come back to you guys whenever. I don't know. All right, so we took another trade. I guess I have to make 130, so we're gonna try to make $140. And then just kind of just see. I don't know. So basically, yeah, we gotta hit like right there. Could double down, but I don't want my stop loss to be all messed up and stuff. Yeah, dog. I mean, shit's so weird, bro. I've never like this consistency rule is like the biggest piece of bullshit I've ever seen in my life. Like to start the day off, it said I had to make like $649, and I make $700, and then I gotta make another 60. And after I make 60, now I gotta make another 100. Like, it's so weird, bro. Just so weird and random. I don't even know if I have to lose or win, so I'm pretty much okay with whatever happens here. I have no idea if I'm supposed to make 139 or lose it, because I just made money. Now I gotta say I gotta make more, dude. I don't know. And it won't update, so I can't even tell, but it says the profit target's 115. But it said that last time, and I fucking made money. It's just stupid. Let's just make sure we have our thing right. So in order for us to make money, basically have to hit 157.50. So 157.50. Then we're going to buy, so we're gonna add a sell limit. So if we do end up hitting or even coming close to that London high draw, I think we already hit London highs too. Yeah, I already cooked London highs, but if we do end up going for this very obvious draw up here, which we should hit, shouldn't be any problem getting up there. Then we should pass the account, bro. We should. So let's just see, bro. I'm freaking hungry. I don't have time for this, bro. I just want to go eat some Panda Express. Chicken and rice from Panda Express. Definitely gonna LARP the win, though, you know. Don't even care about nothing. Yeah, fellas, like, you guys know the situation. I don't even care that I'm LARPing. This is what we do for content, boys. All you gotta have is post. I try to just post, like, hella videos per day. And if I can get out enough videos a day, then we're going to be good. Then we're going to be solid. All we have to continue to do is continue to just LARP and get videos out. Now, I'm going to check this shit. And if this shit doesn't tell me that I passed, bro, I'm going to literally lose my shit. I'm going to literally lose my shit, bro. We just made $140. Look at this. Look at this, guys. We were at 780 before. Now we're at 872 minus 784. That's $88. Shit, I mean, I think we was at 782. Okay, so we fucking, I don't know, I guess we only made $88. I don't know. You guys saw we were up $140. This doesn't make any sense. I'm about to crash, bro. Let me close out this motherfucking shit, because that shit ain't updating, bro. Lucid trading. You know, you guys are sitting with this, sitting through this with me, bro. Like, this shit ain't no joke, bro. This is what prop firms want us to do. They want us to get it. This isn't even trading. I'm not even trading anymore, bro. You guys aren't even seeing if I'm a good trader or not. We have to have 1570 profit. Dog, I think I'm at 1519 profit. To 25K. I literally know I'm at 1519. 2 6. 519.50 minus 25,000. I don't even have to do the math. So it wants us. How the fuck did we not get it? I just made $140, bro. Oh my god, bro. So we need fucking what? $25? Are we serious right now, dog? I need my shit to be at $25. I need this to say $50. I can't have it saying 19. It needs to say 50. Why didn't we take out that high right there? Why did we just engineer more liquidity? Obviously, these sells are a trap, bro, because we just left freaking triple equal highs up here, dude. Like, it's left triple freaking equal highs at Asia highs, bro. Everybody's going to get trapped into these shorts right here if you're a bot, not knowing that we're about to maybe form this 15-minute, or we're going to just totally reject hard as shit off this 3-minute. This is going to totally reject off this 3-minute. We're going to take this inverse back up to these triple equal highs here, and we're going to run these highs. Then we're going to get $50 out of that shit. So that's a trade, boys. This is so stupid, man. Like, this isn't even day trading anymore, bro. You niggas just... You niggas here, bro. Just trying to do anything, bro. Just don't even want a motherfucker to get nothing from y'all niggas, bro. And why won't it update either? Oh my gosh, bro. What the frick, dog? What? Dude, I can't keep chasing, bro. I have to lose money. That's the only way. I have to lose money. That's the only way. It wants me to lose money. It wants me to lose money. It wants me to lose money. I can't, bro. I'm literally, like you guys literally saw it. It says it wants me to make more money. Every time, bro. Shit makes no sense. Have this 3-minute gap here. If we inverse, since I just can't really bring myself to, you know, we have triple equal highs up here. Not triple, but like, you know, we have a lot of liquidity being generated down there. Also have equal highs on ES there. Relative equal highs right there. We just have so many draws. So many great draws higher. Inverse that 3-minute. Inverse that 3-minute. I think we're going to buy here. Yes, didn't inverse it. Oh, my goodness, bro. All right, bro. We got to lose $227. Be patient here. And just see that, you know, ES is starting to make a push up. A real push up. So we're going to go ahead and I want to go ahead and sell 2 here. See what type of recovery we can get out of this. We'd like to see just a gigadick to the upside right after I press sell. I just hop out that black truck. Hop out that black truck. Hop out that black truck. Man, yo, bitch ass ain't on shit. How can it do that? How is that allowed for it to just keep going up every time? It says it wants me to make more money, and then I freaking lose money. And it takes forever to update. Look at ES, ready to pump. Taking that sell right there. Taking a sell, anticipating a push up. So it says we need to lose $200, bro. $220, I guess. It just consistency just keeps going up. So we're trying to make money now. We're trying to lose money now. We should be very, very good here, honestly. Yeah, we're good. I mean, ES is starting to just really push right here. Yo, bitch ass ain't no shit. Turn to sell. So I need to buy back 2 more to lose about how much? 227. Let's try to lose like the perfect amount here. 227 is at 29.86 even. 29.86 even. So we're gonna sell. So we need to buy back 2 more. That's our stop loss right there, fellas. That stop's gonna get hit. Let's move our take profit to break negative, break even or whatever. So that's definitely gonna get hit. ES has inversed that, so we just got to give it a little bit of time. Just give it a little bit of time. We're losing 227 on the dot. We lost 227 on the freaking dot, bro. Like, come on, dog. All right, all right.